This might be the fastest growing Instagram niche. Today, I'm going to show you proof. This Instagram account has over 2 million followers and over 10 million views on several of their reels in only 5 freaking months. And it's not just them. I found 2 other accounts with similar posts doing incredibly well. I wish that was the case with my channel. In all seriousness, guys, this niche is taking over the Instagram. And if you want to be the next success story, you need to start now. You're probably thinking, well,
I can't edit videos like that.
But guess what? You don't need to be a pro to get started. I'll show you how. In this video, I'll teach you how to come up with a catchy name and logo, create stunning videos like the pros, and share a few extra tips to go viral, all with just a few clicks using AI. So, the first thing we need to do is create a catchy name and a standout logo for your new IG account. Let's start with the name. We're going to use ChatGPT for this. Simply type, generate 5 Instagram names for a niche focused on motivation, power, and success, and see what it comes up with. Pick the one that stands out to you the most. I like Achieve Powerfully. Let's go with that as our new IG name. Let's move on to creating a standout logo. We can also use ChatGPT for some logo design ideas. Simply type, generate logo design ideas for an Instagram account named Achieve Powerfully, and see what it suggests. Once we have some ideas, we can use Ideogram to generate our logo. I like this suggestion, so I'll copy it and paste it into Ideogram to create our logo. Click on Generate and see what it comes up with. Okay, it's a good start, but it could be better. Let's change our suggestion a little. Let's add a fire eagle and lightning. Let's see what it comes up with this time. Drum roll, please. I like this one. This will be our logo. Click on the 3 dots to download the image. With our logo ready, it's time to create some amazing videos. But first, let's check out their videos to get a clear idea of what we're aiming for.
It took me 10 years to learn this, but I will teach it to you in 1 minute. 1. Isn't it weird how so many versions of you exist in people's minds?
2 hours later.
After watching almost all of their videos, I noticed they mostly make inspirational quotes, motivational stories, and these ones.
Signs you're dating a high-value woman. 5 signs that she is a wife material. A man married a beautiful girl. He loved her so much.
The second thing I noticed is they use a serious, deep voice.
It took me 10 years to learn this, but I will teach it to you in 1 minute.
And have a slightly dark aesthetic video style. This combination creates a powerful and intense vibe that really grabs attention. So, there are 2 ways to make those videos. The first way is by editing, which is quite a hassle. You have to find all the stock videos, create your own voiceovers, and edit them together, which can take hours if you're not a pro editor. But I'm going to tell you the second way, where even a kid can create these videos using a secret AI tool. But before we start creating a video, let's get some script ideas from ChatGPT. Let's make a video about 4 things a young man should never do. Okay, now I'm just gonna copy this. I'll paste this into InVideo, our secret AI tool that makes video creation super easy. But before pasting the script, give me a 45-second video script of 4 things a young man should never do. And those things are, once we have that, I'll paste the ChatGPT script into InVideo and cut out all the unnecessary parts. This is how my final video instructions looks. You can copy this or create your own. Once you're done, click on Generate to create your video. Okay, the video is ready. Now let's see what we got.
4 things a young man should never do. Want to crush it in life? Here's what not to do. Number 1, never disrespect.
It looks good, but I didn't like the voice. But luckily you can change or add and remove anything by writing in this box. Let me show you. I'll use a resonant deep voice and talk slowly, and then click Generate. Alright, let's see the final result with the new voice.
4 things a young man should never do. Want to crush it in life? Here's what not to do.
This one is much better. Let's go ahead and download it. Let's make it similar to these guys by little editing it on CapCut. First, I'm going to make the voice even deeper. You can do that here by clicking on Audio, then Voice Changer, and selecting Deep. Let's hear how it sounds.
4 things a young man should never do. Want to crush it in life? Here's what not to do. Number 1.
Perfect. Okay, now let's add audio. Done. Next, I'm going to add filter and adjust the visuals to match their dark, intense style. You can do that here by clicking on Effects, Then click Spark and click on this plus sign. Okay, let's adjust the visuals. Click Adjustment and tweak the settings until you get that slightly dark and intense style. Okay, this is how the finished video looks.
4 things a young man should never do. Want to crush it in life? Here's what not to do. Number 1, never disrespect others. Respect is a tool.
Unfortunately, I can't show the full video due to music copyright. You get the idea. But keep in mind, InVideo isn't free. Here's the monthly pricing. But if you don't want to pay or don't like the video style, comment below, and I'll make a tutorial on how to create these videos all by yourself. Now that we've got our video ready, here's the extra tips that can help your content go viral on Instagram. Okay, first tip, keep your video length at least 45 seconds. Longer watch times encourage Instagram to push your content more. These guys usually make videos around 1 minute long. Second tip, use popular audio tracks. Come on guys, I don't have to explain why, right? Third tip, use the same tags as these creators. I mean, why not use something that's already working? Follow these tips, and you'll be on your way to a successful Instagram account. Stay consistent and keep experimenting. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more content. Until next time, stay awesome.